if you want to pick basically the special shop tickets in Pokemon TCG Pocket, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Click the shop at the bottom right here. Okay, and basically what you want to do is scroll down, and what you want to pass these two sections, right? The special shop tickets, and basically here, if we click on it, right, you can see that you can obtain it for 300 of your normal shop tickets, obtainable by completing events, missions, and step battles. Now if you get this special shop ticket, then you can use it also obtained by consuming high rarity cards in my cards, and it's used for exchange for special accessories or items at the shop. So if you buy a special shop ticket, then here you can use it to make some purchases on the shop. If you scroll down at the bottom, let me close. If you scroll down bottom, you will see the special sections as well. All right, and you can spend 12 or even 7 or 26 from the accessory right here section for different card sleeves, coins, and covers. So hope this answers to your question. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.